Have you ever pondered what happens when galaxies collide? The universe is an unimaginably vast place, filled with a number of galaxies that boggles the mind. These galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, are not static, but in constant motion, guided by the invisible hand of gravity. Now let's imagine two of these colossal cosmic neighborhoods heading towards each other. This is where our story of galactic collisions and mergers begins. But don't envision a spectacular crash like two cars colliding at a high speed. Oh no, galaxies are more like cosmic ballet dancers, twirling, swirling, and gradually drawing closer in a slow dance that spans millions of years. They merge and mingle, their shapes distorting and stars shuffling around, all under the strict choreography of gravity. It's a cosmic conundrum, a spectacle that's both beautiful and violent, and it happens right over our heads. Now, are you curious about what causes these cosmic collisions? To understand galactic collisions, we need to delve into the concept of gravity. Gravity, that invisible force that keeps our feet firmly on the ground, is also the silent puppet master of the cosmos. It is gravity that choreographs the celestial dance of stars, planets, and galaxies, pulling them into an eternal waltz across the universe. Now let's talk about galaxies, those vast, sprawling star cities that light up the night sky. Each galaxy is a whirlpool of stars, gas, and dust, spinning together in a cosmic ballet. But the dance doesn't stop there. Galaxies themselves are drawn towards each other, pulled by the invisible strings of their gravitational attraction. Imagine two galaxies, like the Milky Way and Andromeda, spiraling through the vastness of space. They're like two dancers on an infinite stage, drawn towards each other by an irresistible force. Over time, their paths converge, their dance becomes a duet, and they gradually begin to merge. Yes, you heard that right. Our very own Milky Way is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor Andromeda. But don't worry, this cosmic tango won't reach its dramatic finale for another 4 billion years or so. Now, this might sound a bit violent, but remember, space is big, really big. Even within a galaxy, stars are so far apart that they rarely collide when galaxies merge. Instead, the galaxies' gravitational fields interact, pulling and stretching each other in a cosmic tug of war. Over millions of years, this gravitational dance reshapes the galaxies, melding them into a single larger galaxy. So gravity, the force that keeps our coffee in our cups and our feet on the ground, is also the conductor of the cosmic symphony, guiding galaxies in their celestial dance. It's gravity that brings galaxies together, transforming their solitary waltz into a grand duet, and eventually leading to their merger. So, we know what causes these galactic collisions, but what happens when galaxies merge? When galaxies collide, it's not a cataclysmic crash, but rather a slow, beautiful merger. This is not the pandemonium that one would expect. Instead, it's a graceful dance that occurs over millions of years. Let's delve into the details of this cosmic ballet. As galaxies approach each other, their mutual gravitational pull starts to distort their shapes. This can result in a variety of effects, but one of the most significant is the redistribution of stars and gas. Now imagine this. You have two galaxies, each with billions of stars. As these galaxies draw closer, their stars begin to swirl and mix together, like two colors of paint slowly blending. But remember, stars are not like billiard balls. They are so far apart that collisions between them are incredibly rare. Instead, the stars move past each other, pulled into new orbits by the changing gravitational forces. In addition to reshuffling stars, galactic mergers also stir up vast clouds of gas. This gas can be compressed by the gravitational forces at play, and when gas clouds get squeezed, something amazing happens. New stars are born. A galactic merger can trigger a burst of star formation, lighting up the merging galaxies with the brilliance of countless new suns. This is one of the ways our universe recycles and renews itself, turning old galaxies into vibrant, star-filled nurseries. Yet it's important to remember that our understanding of these processes is still evolving. We've never witnessed a complete galactic merger in real time, as these events take place over such vast timescales. Instead, our knowledge is based on a combination of computer simulations and observations of distant galactic collisions. These glimpses of cosmic history allow us to piece together the life stories of galaxies, from their solitary beginnings to their eventual mergers. So, while a galactic collision might sound dramatic, it's actually a natural part of the universe's life cycle, creating new stars and shaping the cosmos as we know it.